Welcome to Cambridge Institute Navshera. In this video, I would like to teach you present structure of present perfect tense. What kind of structure? Before this video, I have taught affirmative structure of present perfect tense, negative and interrogative. Now in this video, I would like to discuss negative interrogative structure of present perfect tense, that is formal. When you want to construct negative interrogative statement of present perfect tense, so we need first of all has or have plus subject plus not plus third form of verb, which is also called past participle form of word. Third form of verb plus complement So as you know that in English there are 7 subject pronoun. I and we is called first person, while you is called second persons, and third person we have he, she, it and they. So now the first which we have, that is called has. So has is used before singular subject. Has is used before singular subject. Like I say here has. So has is followed by he. Has is followed by she. And has is also followed by it. And now if we talk about the further, so we need to add have. First of all, we need to add have before I and before we and before you. And also that before they. That is called they. So now, if you want to construct the statement of present perfect tense, negative interrogative formal, we need first of all has or have or subject or not, third form of verb plus complement. If we recall that we have 7 subject pronoun, he, she, it, and they is called third persons, while you is called second persons. So now we add here has before he, has before she, has before it, and have before I, and have before we, and have before you, and have before they. Now if we want to talk about negative interrogative, then we need to add not after all the subject pronoun. So let's add it here. In this case. We need to add not after each subject pronoun. After each subject pronoun. Like here I have added here now. You can see here that is not and not. Then these nots are followed by third form of verb, which is also called past participle form of verb. So let's add third form of verb with that to complete the statement. So now I say has he written his homework, and as we know that negative interrogative sentence, we need to add a punctuation mark, and that is basically called question mark, which we also call sign of interrogation. So now we complete a statement. Has he not written his homework? And if we talk about she, so we say that has she not cooked the meal? That is basically called here meal. And then end we need to add a question mark, which is also called sign of interrogation. If we talk about it, has it not rained? Rained is the past participle form of rain. Has it not rained? And now Shera. and the end we need to add sign of interrogation, which is also called question mark. Now, have I not taught English? Taught English. Now, if we talk about we, have we not watched TV? Watched TV. And if we talk about have you not spoken English? Spoken English. Next one is, have they not eaten the meal? Eaten the meal. At the end we need to add sign of interrogation, which is also called question mark. Now, if you look at our examples, so these all examples exactly follow this simple formula. If a person want to learn the structure of present perfect tense, so he or she need to learn this formula, and this simple formula tells us about that how to construct a statement. So if we want to construct negative interrogative sentence of present perfect tense formal, we need first of all has or have, then subject, then not, third form of verb, which is also called past participle form of verb, and complement. So look at here, these are called to have auxiliary. These are called to have auxiliary. We can simply have that to have auxiliary. And then to have auxiliary is followed by a simple subject pronoun. These are called seven subject pronoun. Simply we can write here as. And then these all are followed by what? That is basically called not. So we can just write here not. And all are followed by past participle form of verb. Past participle form of verb. That is called third form of verb. And the rest of the sentence is called complement. The rest of the sentence is called complement. That is basically called here complement. Complement. Now, in this video, I have just discussed that negative interrogative structure of present perfect tense formals. So what we need first of all? The same. Has and have, then subject, then not. And the rest are called past participle form of verb. Like written is the past participle form of write, cooked is the past participle form of cook, read is the past participle form of read, taught is the past participle form of teach, watched is the past participle form of watch, spoken is the past participle form of speak, eaten is the past participle form of eat, and this is the rest of the sentence is called complement. And we should remember that when we have a questions, so at the end of the question we add a punctuation mark, that is called question mark or sign of interrogation. So that was end of this video, and next video we will discuss that informal structure of present perfect tense.